Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are all fine. I am your social studies teacher from Dar-e-Arqam School, Madinatul Hujjaj, Golra More campus. Today we learn about the unit number 1, physical state of the earth, and our topic is earthquake. What are the earthquakes? Generally speaking, earthquakes are the movement that shake the earth's surface, and it is defined as a form of energy of wave motion. Generally, an earthquake is the movement of the earth's surface ranging from a faint to a wild jerk. Faint tremor to a wild jerk means the involuntary movements of the earth. This movement is enough to shake the earth's surface. It can be defined as a form of energy of wave motion. Wave motion are the distribution and the denotation of the earth's movement transmitted through the surface layer of the earth. This energy releases take the form of waves called seismic waves. Generally, earthquakes are the energy that are happen in the form of wave motion of the earth, and these waves are called the seismic waves of the earth. An earthquake may originate deep inside the earth crust, at or near the earth's surface, or even in the upper mantle. Earthquake originates from the deep. It starts from the deep inside the earth crust, then it nears to the earth, and then it comes in the upper part or mantle of the earth. The place of origin of an earthquake inside the crust is called focus of the earthquake. From where the earthquake starts, that point is called the focus of the earthquake. The point directly above the focus on the earth's surface is known as epicenter, and where it ends, that point is called the epicenter. Now look at that picture. This is the focus from where it is the inner part crust of the earth, from where the earthquake starts, and then seismic waves happen in the upper part of the earth, and then faults created, and in result of the faults epicenter was created. So first, from the focus, earthquakes start from the inner part of the earth focus, and then transfer into the seismic waves, then created faults, and at the end point is epicenter. Next is tsunamis. What are the tsunamis? These are the earthquakes that are happen in the ocean floors. Earthquakes also occur in the ocean floor. They created up to 30-meter huge waves in the ocean. These waves are called tsunamis in the Japanese language. Tsunamis cause massive destruction in the coastal areas. Coastal areas are the areas that are situated near the sea or the ocean. The Indian Ocean tsunami was considered the most destructive tsunami to date. It occurred on 26 December 2004 and killed more than 150,000 people of 11 countries bordering the Indian Ocean. Now, we discussed that what are the causes of the earthquake. Most of the earthquakes are caused by an elastic strain produced in the rock masses inside the earth crust. Earthquakes are caused by the elastic strain production in the rocks. Rocks are present in the earth crust. When they are strain produced and they are collide together, it causes the earthquake in the crust. The phenomena is defined in the elastic rebound theory present by Harry Field-Rain, an American geologist. This theory explains that earthquakes occur when rock on either side of the fault are displaced due to some tectonic activity of many years. As a result, a strain is produced and accumulated at the point in the rocks. When the strain exceeds the strength of the rocks on the opposite side of the fault move forcefully. Earthquakes happen due to the displaced movement of the faults and the tectonic activities. When the Faults and the tectonic activities are collide or displaced each other for many years. As a result, the earthquakes are present. Earthquakes are also caused by the volcanic activity, and such type of earthquake is called volcanic earthquake. What are the volcanoes? We discuss in our next lecture. A volcanic earthquake occurs due to the release of the elastic strain during a volcanic eruption. Effects of the earthquake. Earthquakes can cause a loss of human or animal lives. They may change the geological features and damage man-made structure. Effects of the earthquakes. We lost the humans and animals' lives, and geological features change from the damaged man-made structure. They also cause volcanic eruption, fires, and the floods. How is the intensity of earthquakes measured? How we measure the earthquake intensity? During an earthquake, seismic waves are produced in the earth. These waves are recorded by an instrument called seismograph. The magnitude of the seismograph is an instrument from which we measure the earthquake intensity. The magnitude of an earthquake is then measured with the help of the Richter scale or the Richter magnitude scale. These are also the scales of measuring the earthquakes. Other scales used to measure the magnitude of an earthquake are the moment magnitude scales and the Mercalli scale. From this map, you can understand the locations of the major earthquakes of the world, from where the major earthquakes of world happened in the past. This map shows you the dates and the areas of that earthquakes. Now, next is world distribution of the earthquakes. How the earthquakes are distributed in the world. Most earthquakes occurs in seismic belts. These belts are created at the plate boundaries where tectonic plates are collide or cause earthquakes. Seismic belts, these belts are created the plate boundaries. When the tectonic plates collide, tectonic plates and the rocks are collide, comes together, and the movement of these two things causes the earthquake. The Circum-Pacific Belt is the most important seismic belt. It affected the coastal region of the Pacific Ocean such as Japan, New Zealand, Alaska, California, and Peru. The Alpine belt crosses the Mediterranean regions and passes through Asia toward the Circum-Pacific belt. Spain, France, Greece, Turkey, Libya, Morocco, Pakistan, and Iran are some countries located across these belts. I will send you the link of a video regarding the earthquakes and the distribution of the earthquakes and causes of earthquakes, and you must watch that video. ये क्या था?